Hey, welcome to Others Legacy Farm. Today we're going to make some homemade coffee creamer because this stuff's expensive and you don't know what's in it. You can't read half the ingredients. So we're going to make some natural coffee creamer, and we've had it before and it's great.
Okay, I like the caramel. You like the sweet cream. So I'm gonna start making the caramel. And while I'm doing that, he's gonna read the ingredients.
If I can read them.
So
I need a magnifying glass.
first,
Water, sugar,
while I'm doing that, he's gonna read the ingredients. While I'm doing that, he's gonna read the ingredients. Okay, I've got a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of water that I'm going to heat up. Okay.
All right, we have water, sugar, palm oil, contains 2% less or sodium caseinate, a milk derivative. Oh, that's great. Potassium, phosphate. And you kind of get the idea because I can't.
Well,
this print is too small. I cannot read it. I need my phone to take a picture and magnify it. Okay, like I said, water, sugar, palm oil contains 2% less of sodium caseinate, a milk derivative, D-potassium, phosphate, carrageenan, mono, and whatever that word is, rides, natural and artificial flavors, sodium, stearoyl, lactylate, salt, sodium caseinate is not a source of lactase, contains a milk derivative. So yeah, we're not putting that in ours.
And I think it's cheaper too. Okay, my caramel has a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of water, 1 cup of heavy cream, whipping cream, and 1 cup of milk. Okay, and yours?
What about mine?
You want to tell what's in yours?
I have no idea.
Okay. Okay, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of
Heavy cream?
heavy cream.
One cup of milk.
And a can of
Condensed milk. It's good and thick, isn't it?
and a splash of vanilla.
A splash of vanilla.
About a teaspoon. About a teaspoon.
Teaspoon?
Yeah.
Or roughly thereabouts.
Roughly that. It's pretty good there, isn't it? 3 something.
Oh.
But it's
We got the heavy cream.
the crap that's in it.
It was 5 something.
Yeah.
And we've made 4 batches. And then milk. And,
This is all for this one, isn't it?
okay, so my sugar is all dissolved.
Where's the
So,
container for that?
okay, heavy cream and milk. Since it's caramel, it's going to be salted caramel. And some vanilla.
And that's my cameo.
the salted caramel. And there's the salted caramel.
That took what? 10 minutes, if that? No, 7 minutes and 46 seconds.
Okay. So thanks for watching. Hope you try this. Till next time. Bye.